In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private board in Monday.com. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in, and once you're in, make sure you're inside the correct workspace where you want this new board to live. Workspaces help keep things organized, so double-check that you're in the right one before you continue. Now, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a panel with your boards, folders, and different views. In that panel, find the Add button. It usually has a plus sign next to it and sits near the top of the list. Go ahead and click that Add button. When you click Add, a small menu will appear with a few options. From that menu, choose New Board. This tells Monday.com that you want to create an entirely new space rather than just adding a new item or a new view to something existing. Once you select New Board, a setup window will pop up. Here, you'll be asked to give your board a name. Take a moment to think about a clear, descriptive name that will make sense to you and to anyone else you might invite later. For example, you might call it Marketing Plan Private or Leadership Tasks Private, so it's obvious what the board is for. Type that name into the board name field. Just below the name, you'll see Privacy or Visibility options. This is where you decide who can see the board. You'll typically see options like Main, Shareable, and Private. For this tutorial, we want to make sure the board is only visible to you and the specific people you choose to invite. So, select the Private option. This is important if you're working with sensitive information, early-stage plans, or anything you don't want visible to your entire account. After you've named your board and selected Private as the privacy level, you're ready to finalize it. Look for the Create Board button in that same window and click it. Monday.com will now generate your new private board and take you straight into it so you can start adding groups, columns, and items as needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a private board in Monday.com.